If you wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning every single day, and you are watching the news and you have, let's say, a scanner that will show you, again, some of the best press releases, there's almost, I would say, an 80 to 85% chance that you're going to be successful. You know why? Because the majority of people aren't going to wake up early. Majority of people are going to sleep in every single day. If you want to talk about 80% of people who fail, that comes down to people wake up at 9:30 and say, hey, what's going on in the stock market? People who show up every single day at 10 o'clock, 10:30 and say, what's going on? Well, the play already happened.
It's over.
And in stock trading, the early bird truly does get the worm. Because if we have a press release that says, hey, we have just discovered how we're going to cure this rare disease. If I see that at 7 in the morning, I'm jumping in on it. Then someone who wakes up at 7:45, they jump in on it. Then someone who wakes up at 8 o'clock, 8:15, 8:45, 9 o'clock, they all start jumping in on it. And since I bought in low, every single time someone buys in, the price goes higher and higher, which makes, again, my shares currently more valuable. Sacrifice sleep for profit. And that's something I always think about every single morning when I wake up. Let's say at 7 o'clock in the morning, I walk into your room and I start saying, Ralph, wake up right now. You're going to turn to me and you're going to say, how the heck did you get in here? But you're also going to say, how the heck did you get in here? But I'm also going to say, if you wake up right now, I'll give you $500. I can guarantee every single person would jump out of their bed.
I'd make you a cup of coffee. Are you kidding me?
Every single person would jump out of bed. But people don't think about that. You got to think about perspective. If you get up at 7 in the morning, the best press release may be at 7 o'clock. The best press release may be at 7:30. The best press release may be at 8 o'clock. But this is what happens. People get inspired when I say this and they say, you know what? I'm going to start waking up early. I'm going to watch the news and I'm going to find that best play, just like, again, Sean Deckmar said, and I'm going to be able to make the most money possible. But maybe that day that you wake up, there is no big hot press release. And then you just say, man, I just woke up super early for no reason. And then the next day, maybe again, there is no, or maybe they missed out on it and they say, man, I just wake up for no reason. So now they sleep in the next day. They say, okay, it wouldn't hurt if I go to 8:30. And then you get in that bad habit of just sleeping in again and again and again. It's almost like, again, you want to lose weight, you want to get into fitness. You start going, let's say 1, 2, 3 days in a row. But then you say, let me dive into a little bit of that brownie. Not going to hurt. Then you got 2 brownies. Then you got 10 brownies. And then you're kind of back to where you started. So you have to get into that habit of waking up early.